Hey, good day, folks. This is another S Group Daily Review video number 79 now. Uh, didn't get a chance to record video last night. I got in very late. Was out doing stuff with friends, but I got my notification on my phone, and I want to share that with you here today, guys. We got 0.81%, and I made $131.25, guys. $131.25 on my account. So, to put it into perspective here, guys, just click this L as red, and I'm going to go to the investments page. And then from here, okay, I'm on forex market. I'm going to scroll down. So in 9 days of earnings, guys, I made $735.16. So we still have today, which is Friday. After today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to combine my two investments, which are these two guys down here, and whatever the remaining amount is after today. This will probably be around 800 bucks. So I'm going to take this amount of money and reinvest back into the system, and that way my principal, which is here, it'll grow. It'll probably be like 21.7 something after the fees and everything, or maybe 21.8 depending on the day. If we have another $100 a day, it's possible we can get close to 900 bucks, guys, in 10 days. Just think, I'll make just under $900, and that'll get me close to 22,000. As you see, the total deposits, that's my principal. And then yeah, just getting much closer, guys, to the 25,000 tier level, which yeah, once I get there, I'll be making 80% instead of the 75%, as you see at the 10,000 tier. So it's really exciting, guys. I can't wait for that to happen. Yeah, guys, so if you've been following me on my YouTube channel, I want to thank you very much. I want to also thank all the people that have been shooting me emails, asking questions about S Group, how it all works. It's basically a system, especially in the Forex side of it, because there's 4 different sides of S Group, as you guys see here, which is the Forex, S Pharmaceutical, S IPO, and Liquidity Mining. Yeah, so in the Forex market, with this specifically, once you invest your money in any of these tiers, you will earn this first percentage amount, and the company will get the second percentage amount. So if you put in anywhere from $100 to $499, you'll get 50% of the daily earnings, and they'll get 50%. And so on. If you go from $500 to $14.99, you'll get 60%, they'll get 40%, and so on here as well, guys. Most people do come in the first 3 tiers. I know when I started with a couple $100, tested it out, and then I started upgrading. So in about 6 months' time, I got up to 5,000. So I put about 4,000 of my own money, plus I made 1,000 in the first 6 months I was in the system. So I've been in the system for 2 years, guys, and over those 2 years, collectively, I made $16,054.83 in the last exactly 2 years, because it's October 2022 right now, and I started October 2020. So yeah, guys, and so now I'm at this tiered level to 10,000, because I'm just under 25, and as you see, I'll be getting close to the next tiered level, guys. Tonight I'm going to do another video tonight. I'm going to do the combine and then reinvest video, so you guys can see my account grow. You'll see this amount will get reset to 0, and this amount will go up to 22,000. So that'll be very exciting, guys. So just want to do this 5-minute daily review video. If you guys are checking out S Group, if you're doing some searches, check out my channel. Don't forget to click the subscribe button down below so you can join my team, and you can join my channel, and you can also join my team on S Group, I should say. Sorry about that. If you click on the sign up link in the description, you can join my team, and I'll walk you through everything. If you have any questions, and don't forget to click the subscription button down below underneath this video. That way you can join my YouTube channel here. You can see all my updates and progress as I go along, guys. It's been a great road the last 2 years, and I'm just going to continue to keep growing my account. One day I hope to get to the $50,000 tier, making about $4,000 US per month. All right, guys, don't forget to click on the subscription button down below. See you in the next video.